Welcome guys, this is vlog number 2. Just want to show you around the shop. Again, super early, but wanted to show you around and kind of document what's going on here. I forgot to tell you in our vlog 1 about our core values in the office. Over there is a big poster. Here we got all are hanging here, just so we get to remind ourselves what we stand for, what we want to do, and what our core values for as a company are. And as you can see, you got some trucks in the shop here working on what happened here. Transmission kind of, this was in a little crash and the transmission kind of went apart, came apart with the block, and it created some issues. Here we're swapping the bell housing on that. This is one of my gliders. I'm not sure what this is for. Here, I really like this truck a lot. It's not a Fitzgerald, that's actually factory built glider, 10 speed. 12.7 Series 60 Detroit. Another one here. Customers. Yeah, so let me just show you around really quick. This is, we just so he's cleaning up the shop, building part rooms. This is parts 2. It's kind of organizing everything. We got this shop about a few months, February 1st, a few months ago. So we are cleaning things up and making it nice and organized. So it's gonna take a while, but well, we're almost done. Here's parts 1, sorry, and then our offices are right here. Upstairs, maybe we'll build something one day, but there's a little waiting area here. I'll show you a little bar area, and then upstairs we have a little dining room. Hopefully it's clean. Yeah, it's clean. So hope somewhat clean. So you can get to hang out, watch TV, and eat. Wait if you're waiting for a truck. So the mechanics changing room, and again another customer doing front end right here. And this is actually a glider 2013 glider, spec'd by Schneider. So it has it's a 10 speed direct drive, 276, I think, rear end ratio. So super cool truck. Yeah, this is it. There's gonna be more coming. We'll show you some projects, and hopefully it'll be fun and entertaining for you to watch, and we'll document our journey. Subscribe if you haven't, and talk to you soon.